Pragya no wo union. Yeah, your friend no Seydou Mubarak. Okay, so yen share na meni ni nkomo. Minua na apom te say.
Boko Sir John.
Hey, na most of na ekoso Tafo ni areas ama moni abresa.
Okay, Sir John. Metia wa no pawe na machia Akoma FM achiefo ene production. On Friday, ye PM our Tafo Municipal Assembly. Na the MIA ko honum ne say Ashanti Assembly no say my fa former as a nim ho ye free so am run about na ba ye drew Azaria Junction and high sense wa yambu emfa a crew inside no na yenko fe chire na yenko pie ewo amangwa ase ana yenko pie ewo a friend say Kudia Junction na before say ombesi say samra no one oman frɛ ye mpenimfo a omo honum a moda Pragya fo ano ewo honum oman frɛ omo ntena ase ansa na omo hye samra no second thing no on say sa kwan no kwan a lead to various municipalities so amefo eba honum kwabiri east for eba honum anya say bi omo amwo Tafo-Pankrono na omo use that route no ntina omo no so stakeholders na e was assembly no so efra omo na omo ina entimi yede entimi NC apo ene regulation na omo dey ba no beside that no so Sir John so who share Tafo ekwan na omo gina so no say ekwan no congestion wo na ekwan no a since omampani rollers abenso na omoye kwan no ebepemene share number of houses and number population na expanded till now yet Tafo kwan no omoye expanded no see that kind of things no and I was say beside that no so Pragya for no omo say Pragya for no omo yifa ho bebre yes ono no mediatu but me who say negligence of the assembly now because Pragya for no on the 9th of September yes throw letter Emma the same old Tafo Municipal Assembly say you know mo encam boom na ye regulate Pragya for no ewo hono because yankasa regional executive opeyini bi a ebe kono ho bia no omo complain about Tafo ekwan no the way ye nuamo Pragya riders eye wo hono and I throw a crack at Mamma say, young Cambum, young Shakwan, I befaso, I be regulated. Regulation, and I do not know per se, yet they bebois MC no on to me and share and to me ma Tafo Pragya once a brenner, and they say, yeah, what you want to be him say, Obi a ye be an hour from Rano now at Chino. Na sebi. One fan family kwan so na waje ne kakra na waje no a adichi the same thing na na obeye but say na assembly ni na e ka abu e say yes for apa say oyifa ho wo honom formers on na echiwa ye de obekọ assembly ho na ye de omoto no akwa akosi ho for some few weeks driver so the driver esru na ye obeje ne car esi honum na akomde ne kakra obesua yansa nti ye hu me say anka that way ye be ya ebeboa chen say almost say mayam fa honum because that road no there lead to so many municipalities enye Tafo-Pankrono no ene use sa kwan no
I see enti who blame me municipal no say woman na ahwama mrantie no cause traffic no
yes say mentioning bia no obi a ɔhwɛ emansi
na sɛ wo blame ni deɛ adɛn na wo blame ni sɛ ɔno nso take action a wo blame ni sɛ o send petition sɛ action a wo take no on ne nya adwen
yɛ petition na yɛ send no sɛ o problem ɛwɔ emansi nim na wanya that same stakeholder a ɔkyerɛ letter ma sɛ yɛayɛ ready sɛ yɛne wobɛyɛ si akonya na yɛhwɛ your friends the Pragya who answer them na your CC no. Abrafo a wonya problem. Yes, so as kuno, yenya problem na wa hwesa proposal no now they ato ho 1 year. Now wa sorry prekope. Instead of say obe friend say nipa kwa na obe hihye mrama no instead of say obe friend na ode na asinkonya na wa krache so problem we na me face ewo aharam na me pese me yesi na yeso ya hwese ebepoa Pragya a na etime yede na eka so ana ye pia ye ne ye members no be kwa akokasa na ya ma mo ahu se osise sei na eba there's a sudden buy na obeye ne sa se enye dia ye na obeye adwe
enti minua wo ankasa no as the chairman no you are admitting that Unkrofo no niema bi omo ye okwan so no enya de papa enye za
omumu bi
enye niema bi omo ye no emwa
yes
na wankasa no ano what has been mo amu to get because they are kwada bi a some of them we hear riders bi kwada under 18 years 16 years something onam that same area onam hona wono de onima ne so wotim na ekonanim se obehwe mirror mu kra hu se ka bi ba me da me ho aha ne ade no onfa ho wo na main lane mu no ono no timi kira se ko because o face you meaning that also wo man kwan ma obesin na wo si fam I mean these are things that cause why you admit that enye ade na wo as chairman no wo ye to engage on crowd no to let them know because I know say nen komodie cause about say womo ebe regulating mujumadi as we speak and also we will find out from you in the course of the discussion if say you update us and also akwakosi say in sign nyina what has been your effort intervention and also diama
okay so John me that say na say yes say yes sensitization tour every municipality na every municipality I no yene ahemfo ene municipal chief executives ene road safety tvla ene ye police mttd department ene kapu it's because one thing yes city ewo ye nuama omuti Pragya no say your license na ye acquire as a license no omonfa dudo na emfa ntikiem nti nipa no tifie na o ma ye license amano nti wo be no as police e wo kwan say o license but identity na o tweak fellas meanwhile nipa no o ma mfa na mfa ntitie bia nti onu nim say o tifie na o mo ye license amana then he is good to go ade no so entesa nti
o tifie na hwan ye license amano
o tifie na DVL for ye license amano because yes me research was animal be now research say almost 70% of your riders no omo e be license omo call DVL omo ma musika na omo say ye say ye acquire license amount na I was omo tua no kwa na omo betua o tua wi a o kofie.
That is serious. And research now here and what could DVLA to confirm or otherwise?
Yes, my confirm from because one say a man fan say a license.
Wow.
Young fan say motor out oko DVLA CCI opa mobet my emotion. DVLA CCI oko honum na over acquire a license. Omo fa on fa ti en ba because omo presume say motor there obia like obia o yen fa say obia wo zone obia o to be motor ana sisi a Pragya juma no de atwom zongo level because sisi a nye zongo bi beside that no so zongo no nipa no oni moto ni twi but the rules and regulations are ewo ye kwan mu oni nti ewo say o di trend wow
enti o research now ye no o research now ye no ne ukoya o say yes wa confirm no wa report it to because e ade a won so as chairman ebegu say wadwuma egu adwuma ni ma say why no report this research how ye ne confirmation am say they should take action
me present ma omo headquarters a ewo Accra DVLA
headquarters afi be asem na wokan
ene
afia mu afia asem na wokan
okay
this year and last year
that be this year na
okay
ene your friend Minister of Transport me ohonom no kwa no me kata so problem ma e face yina no se omotimi regulate omotimi pass law no ntem emaya anka ebe dia ebe bua ye sa efise mpenifor no bi wo honom a like your call move ho na say oh we are open for collaboration now almost no because of say emrano eyen komela eyen ye de eyen GMP it is nipa no wan hwe na ebia wakwa collaborate with here Pragya for ebia sebio obi betima ka say ye de or support illegality and adisa wow
anyway mpacho ti uje nya soma me na minim say decisions ewo assembly no yada general assembly meetings and womo FM up most of them